visiting the community garden. It is awesome to see vegetable beehive and butterflies. Please come and join us.
Louie? Oh, pretty, isn't it, mate?
Hello, everyone. We are in the vegetable garden.
Oh, wow.
The garden at home. We are one lucky dog. Because we haven't got one.
Aww.
Look around the garden. Make me so much excited.
Woo!
Because I want to grow my own cucumber, tomatoes, and carrot.
That's awesome.
My mother digging like a puppy. Bee house.
Yeah, see?
They also got a beehive.
There's a beehive.
I really want to touch them, but my mommy said it is good to stay away from them.
That's right!
Can we look at them? Can we go close? Can we go close? Where come? I think my mommy a bit scared of bee. I want to touch them. I'm talking to a butterfly. I said it's okay. I want to touch the butterfly and hold it.
Aww.
He's scared. It's okay. I love talking with insects and animals.
That's awesome.
They are chilling.
That's right!
This is a water pipe. Fit in the garden so that it will grow yummy vegetable. Yummy! This is so cool. Ready, go!
Every single bite is a tasty treat. Yummy, 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 can't get enough. Delicious and fun, it's the good stuff. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 in my tummy. Yummy, 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 it's so sweet. Every single bite is a tasty treat. Yummy, 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 can't get
Thank you for watching our garden tour. Please comment down below what do you think our tour. I will see you in my next video.
Woohoo!
Bye bye for now.